Okay, so I did a little clip on TikTok with opening up some of these. And then I was hoping to do all of them on TikTok, so I already started opening up this one. So, if you can't tell, I'm at the shore with Alexa. Say hi. So, these...
You can't hold Miss Butterfingers over here.
So this is what this one looks like, and then it's this one. And then these you can see on TikTok. I'll link it down below. So since this one I already started opening because I was kind of hoping to open them all up on TikTok, but yeah, song wasn't long enough. So let's continue. Nah. Oh, sorry. They like to stick together. And these are, if you can't tell, these are different from what I already opened up in the past. I think like the other ones was like series 1. I think this is a duplicate. No. It just has like the same but different picture. And let's just do the other one of these. And I'm okay if like if the back is open like that, I can just like keep it taped up if I wanted to keep it. Oh, I like the blue in this one. And I saw like a clip of what some of them could be, and whether one of the packs had like a glittery holographic one. So now let's move on to these. The other packs I just showed you, they had 5. These probably have like 5 as well. Just have how like thick or slash thin they feel. I know in the first ones they had 12 in them. I hate opening these. There you go.
Elvis has left the building. King down.
Put that as a photo. Oh, this one's cool. And this is like a pop-up.
I like the standees, yeah.
Ooh, this one's cool too. If you, I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of shows Elvis
doing his hip move. It's like lenticular, so it makes it look like it's moving.
I don't know if you guys can you see it?
Well, yeah, but you kind of have to look this way.
Yeah,
I think.
I mean, do whatever way you might think it would work for it to be seen.
Oh no, it's not lenticular. It
Yeah.
says Elvis in the back of it.
Yeah.
I thought
That's what I was trying to show.
Oh, I thought because I never looked at this, I was looking through it in the camera.
Yeah.
I thought it made it look like he was dancing, like that's
no.
what lenticular means, like the image moves, whoever you turn it.
Yeah.
No, just the word show.
Yeah.
Okay. No,
that's what I was like trying to show.
No, that's not what I like I said, I was just looking through the camera, so I didn't see. So I don't know, it wasn't actually lenticular, it was just like a shadow type thing.
Yeah.
No.
It's kind of like that James Charles eyeshadow palette that I showed you, where like his name is like the back of it is the palette is matte, but then his name is in gloss. That did not open up right. There we go.
Family photo.
Yeah, that's probably him as like a little baby. He looks kind of weird in that picture. And here's another one of those like ones from the last pack. Can you see it? There's the glossiness.
Yeah, I was say yeah. No,
Can you see it on camera?
the way there, I got it now.
I think each pack is gonna have at least one of those. That's what it looks like so far, but I don't know. The one thing I hate about opening these is that like I'm afraid I'm gonna bend the cards.
I'm afraid I'm gonna bend my back like this. No, like my hands like getting hard holding it, and then my back's crooked. Hold on.
Oh my gosh. And my nails don't want to work with me.
You don't know how painful this is for my arm and back. At least I got a way of saying it without saying, like, can you hurry up? No,
I'm trying.
You teed it up for me pretty well.
Okay.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
And I wonder if Gigi still has the duplicate ones that I gave her from the other series I gave her.
Yeah.
Only one way to find out is to ask her. And then this is another one.
Oh. There, you gotta get the light shining on it and like turn it that way.
Alright, so that's it. I guess I'll show you the clip. Oh, tag. I guess link.
No, have them go to your.
No, that's what I mean. The link, the
Oh, I was about to say.
TikTok.
Oh, I was about to say. I thought you meant when you said link, almost like put it at the end of the video. No, you want them to go to your channel to like it and then follow you.
Just put it right here in this video. No.
That's literally what I thought you meant.
Go watch it. I'll link the TikTok down below. Peace out for now.
Again.